Ammo days.
Hospitals and stuff like that.
Ammo days.
I've done all the hospitals and
Here they go.
biofires and that sort of stuff. So it'll be interesting.
The race. The rat race. Run! Show these guys how to get in here faster. There they all go over there. J-Dog sprinting. J-Dog sprinting. Oh, J-Dog got in the lead. Shit.
Really just trying to warm up at this point.
There's a fucking race back there. Now is there ammo on the shelf? Can we get our 2 boxes today? Oh no. We're getting our 2 boxes. There they go. Where are they at? There is not shit on the shelf over here. I'll take that. I'm out of here. I got the 6 hour. I'm out of here. Oh shit, everybody's still coming in deep as fuck. Look at this fucking crowd. So deep. Woo! Ammo days. Ammo days. Ammo days.